Welcome everyone to this explainer. In today's hyper-connected world, businesses are literally generating massive amounts of data every single second. It's wild. But here's the thing, raw data, it's totally useless without the right tools to actually interpret it. And that is exactly what we're looking at today. We're gonna break down the fundamentals and applications of business analytics and really explore how organizations take all that chaotic information and turn it into clear, actionable strategies.
In this introduction, we'll be covering three main areas. First up, an overview of business analytics. Second, the application of business analytics. And third, the benefits of business analytics.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1, Overview of Business Analytics.
So, what's the very first step in learning business analytics? I know, it's incredibly tempting to just jump straight into the complex data sets and, the advanced software. But honestly, that's a trap so many eager learners fall into. We need to look at how to properly establish a baseline before doing any of the heavy lifting.
Right, so before taking any action at all, you absolutely must first grasp the foundational concepts. This overview phase, it's really all about understanding the core language of data. This means getting super comfortable with different data types, learning those basic statistical definitions, and, most importantly, knowing how to accurately identify the specific business problems you're actually trying to solve. You simply can't master the complexities of data analysis without first conquering this conceptual overview. It's like building a house. You gotta have that foundation first.
Let's move along to Section 2, Application of Business Analytics.
Now, obviously, you don't just stay in theory land forever. Once you've got that overview down, the next logical step pushes you directly into the application phase. This means taking those baseline concepts we just talked about and actually using them to solve real-world challenges. It's this crucial bridge where you learn to apply specific analytical techniques, like your descriptive or predictive models, to actual operational data. That's how you uncover the really meaningful trends and patterns hidden in the numbers.
Which brings us right to Section 3, Benefits of Business Analytics.
So, understanding the application is entirely about knowing how to use the analytical tools. But realizing the benefits? That's about understanding exactly why it matters. The real value of learning business analytics isn't just about, successfully running an algorithm. It's about the tangible impact that algorithm actually has. We're talking about driving major operational efficiency, identifying brand new revenue streams, reducing risks, and ultimately making smarter, data-backed decisions that literally propel a company forward.
All right, to summarize what we've discovered in this explainer today, the journey through business analytics is highly sequential. You begin by grasping the overview to build a really solid theoretical foundation. Then, you move right on to understanding the application to develop your practical skills. And finally, you finish by realizing the benefits to drive actual, measurable business value. This whole flow ensures a complete, holistic understanding, from raw data theory all the way through to strategic execution.
So, now that you understand these three foundational pillars, are you ready to dive in and master business analytics for yourself? The framework is set, the steps are crystal clear, and those real-world advantages are just waiting to be realized. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope this leaves you eager to jump in and start mastering the data.